Dear learners, welcome to the channel again. Today we will discuss about operating systems. An operating system, which is called OS in short form also, is a software that manages computer hardware and provides common services for computer programs. It acts as an intermediary between the hardware and software applications, facilitating the execution of various tasks and providing a user interface for different interactions. Here are some examples of operating system which include Microsoft Windows. First of all, we will discuss about Microsoft Windows. Developed by Microsoft, Windows is one of the most widely used operating system for personal computers. Its various versions such as Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7 provide a graphical user interface GUI and support for a wide range of software applications. Mac OS. Mac OS means Mac operating system, developed by Apple Enclave. Mac OS is the operating system used exclusively on Apple's Macintosh computers, known for its sleek design and user-friendly interface. Actually, user-friendly interface is very important in terms of operating system. Mac OS offers features like Siri integration, continuity, seamless integration between Apple devices, and the Mac App Store. Different services can be found over Mac App Store. Next is Linux. Linux is a family of open source Unix-like operating systems based on the Linux kernel. It is widely used in server environments, supercomputers, and embedded systems. Various distributions such as Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian cater to different user needs and preferences. iOS, developed by Apple Enclave iOS, is the operating system specially designed for Apple's mobile devices, including iPhones, iPads, and iPad Touch. iOS provides a touch-based interface optimized for mobile use and offers features like Siri, iCloud integration, and App Store. Next operating system is there, Android. Developed by Google, Android is an open source operating system primarily used in smartphones and tablets. It is known for its customizability and vast ecosystem of apps. Android powers devices from various manufacturers and provides features like Google Assistant, Google Play Store, and seamless integration with Google services. Chrome operating system. It is also developed by Google. Chrome operating system is a lightweight operating system designed primarily for Chromebook laptops. It is based on the Linux kernel and primarily runs web applications using the Chrome browser. Chrome operating system emphasizes cloud computing. It is very important and offers features like automatic updates, Google Drive integration, and support for Android applications. Thank you so much.